for the right vehicle? Check out the 2020 Ford F-350 Super Duty. Head-to-head fuel efficiency, head-to-head towing, head-to-head torque. Ford F-350 Super Duty. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: remote engine start, traction control, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, bed liner, trip computer, compass, brake assist, overhead console, tachometer, front reading lamps, tilt steering wheel cruise control, privacy glass, power equipment group, passenger vanity mirror, dual rear wheels. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.